Here I have VIVO V9 Pro, and let me show you how to enter here the save mode on the following device. So all you need to do right now is simply press power key. Let's choose here the reboot and wait a couple of seconds. As soon as this Android logo disappears, you need to start holding volume down, so let's be prepared. Now start holding volume down and keep holding this key until the save mode pops up. And that's it, this is the save mode, so now you can use your device in a save mode. If you would like to check out how your device works without the third-party apps, this is the appropriate mode. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's choose here the power key, tab reboot, and that's it. So now you can check out how your device is working in a normal mode. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.